I'm sorry, she's smart.
She
Okay,
is?
Lucas, just because
We're at algebra
you've got a
level.
girlfriend.
Millie Bobby Brown has had a fabulous acting career since she broke into Hollywood as a child. Joining the Stranger Things at the age of 12, she also starred in Enola Holmes, which was released some months back. She's also become the youngest nominee for the Emmy Awards after being nominated for her performance in Stranger Things. However, there is a huge difference between the young woman on your screens and the young woman in real life. Millie Bobby Brown has been in the news a couple of times, and unfortunately, not every single one of them has been positive. In this video, we will share with you some of the horrible things Millie Bobby Brown has done in real life. But first, a simple reminder on how to enter our brand new giveaway. We are giving away either an iPhone X Max, the new iPad mini, or MacBook Pro. It's all your choice. So be sure to leave a like, comment the keyword, subscribe, and turn on notifications to enter the giveaway. It's really that simple. Friendship with Drake. Drake has had his fair share of critics bashing him for his lyrics, lifestyle, and even relationships, and it doesn't come as a surprise that Millie is under fire for being friends with the rap star. In an interview, Millie mentioned that she was very good friends with Drake, and he frequently advised her about boys. But fans would not have any of these. Both stars were faced with heavy criticism after fans said they believe the two usually shared miss you texts. While this might of course be innocent, fans have bashed Drake for chatting with an individual who was just 14 years old at the time. They also mentioned how inappropriate it was for a 34-year-old man to exchange texts with a much younger Millie. The two had met when Millie went for a Drake concert in Australia and had been invited backstage by the rapper after the show. Millie isn't so smart either. While her character, Eleven on Stranger Things with her psychic powers, might be one of the smartest characters on TV, the real-life Bobby Brown might not be as smart as that. In an interview, Bobby Brown came forth to say that she believes the Earth is flat. Yes, you heard that one right. Your favorite teenage star is a flat earther. Honestly, the whole concept of the Earth being flat sounds quite ridiculous to most of us, and we have good reason to think so. This is because there exists a ton of research and images from space that prove that the Earth is spherical, like a big round ball, but Millie doesn't care about any of these researchers and images. She still believes strongly that the Earth is flat and will forever remain so. This is quite disheartening considering the fact that several children across the world look up to Millie. If little girls get a whiff of this information, it'll be the word of Bobby Brown against their teachers. I guess we all know which way they're gonna choose. A quick fact, Millie is deaf in one ear. Not a lot of people know this, but the young actress has always suffered hearing loss since she was a child. This has affected her hearing in one ear that you might have to come closer or raise your voice so she can hear you perfectly. In an interview with Studio 10 back in 2017, she said, "At a young age, I've always had bad ears and never really could hear anyone. But filming Stranger Things was hard because I would have to have ADs or PAs near me to say action because they'd have to say it really loud or make a sign so I could watch them because I would never be able to hear them." The young actress said she's been born with the condition and she had learned to live with it. She also said that it no longer affects her work like it used to. She also added that this hearing loss had further instigated a number of other troubles, but she has triumphed over every single one of them. This perhaps explains how the young actress became stubborn and determined to keep achieving things. In an interview with Jimmy Fallon on his show, she mentioned that she had auditioned for a role in the Game of Thrones. She said that the rejection hit her so bad that she wanted to give up acting. She said, "I then auditioned for the Game of Thrones and I got a no for that. Then that's kind of when I oh, this is really difficult because I guess I really wanted that role." Last year, the young actress confirmed the suggestions of fans that it was the role of Lyanna Mormont that she auditioned for. Her parents have also said that they had some pretty challenging times before Millie became a star. The family had sold almost everything they owned just so they could move to Hollywood so their daughter could become an actress. Her role on Stranger Things, however, changed the situation of her family. However, the young actress's determination and stubborn behavior could be all the motivation you need. She said, "I know this sounds crazy, but once I find something that I want to do, nobody's stopping me. If I don't know how to sew and I really had that passion for sewing, that's it. I'm going to sew. That's also with acting. So here I am." Millie has been on our TV screens since she was 9, taking on smaller roles. She also appeared on Intruders and played a younger Alice in Once Upon a Time in Wonderland. She has also had guest appearances on NCIS, Grey's Anatomy, and The Modern Family. She is quite disrespectful and mean. Millie has been openly disrespectful to her co-stars on Stranger Things. One of the most popular incidents happened with David Harbour, who's 45 years old. In the interview, David Harbour was trying to compliment the young actress for her acting skills and great personality, but Millie would have none of that. She started making faces in a bid to get all the attention on herself. She kept interrupting him and even stood up to cover his mouth with her hands while he was still talking. The actor tried again to talk, but Millie was not going to have any of it. She kept interrupting him again, and David simply stopped trying by smiling his way through the interview. Even though they share an amazing strong acting chemistry on the show, it is still quite unsure if David was angry about the behavior of Bobby Brown in the interview. If he is, he's doing a very good job at hiding it. However, David could have easily disregarded it as a childish antic because that's exactly what it is. Millie has also done it with the younger actors on the show. There are several videos available that show Millie speaking while the other actors are speaking, trying so hard to interrupt them. She doesn't care if it's a press tour or an interview. In these videos, you can see the faces of the other characters and can easily tell that they aren't happy with her rude interruptions. These actors surely don't want to come off as rude, and this could explain why they keep tolerating this rude behavior of Billie. The important question is why Billie feels it's right to treat her co-stars the way she does. She frequently does this to Sadie Sink, who plays the role of Max on the show. Even though Billie has said she's very close friends with Sadie, it does not usually seem like that on the set. In fact, at one point, Billie kept interrupting Sadie that Caleb McLaughlin, another actor, had to ask Sadie if she wanted to talk. Caleb has also been on the receiving end of Millie's awful behavior. Sadie, Caleb, and Billie had gone up the stage for the Kids' Choice Award by Nickelodeon. When it was time for Millie to address the audience, she shoved Caleb aside and didn't even ask him gently. This caused the young actor to stagger before he finally finds his stance. Well, she's 16 now, and we really hope all of that will change. Her skincare video scam. In a video released to promote her skincare products and show her fans her skincare routine, Millie can be seen putting on makeup products on her face. But the thing is, she was not actually putting anything on her face. All the young actress was doing was simply mimicking the act of putting on the makeup. This is evident because she ends the video with the same amount of makeup she started with. Fans were quick to criticize the action. One user on Twitter even asked if Millie was simply using air on her face. Did this mean she didn't find her own products safe enough to use? Well, to save herself from the backlash that had filled her timeline, the young actress said that she believed she was supposed to demonstrate her routine rather than wear makeup all over again. That's not exactly how it works, Billie. Billie's dismissive behavior. The video of Audrey Hope made the rounds on the internet when the actress shared a video about Millie. In the video, she mentioned an awful experience that she had with the popular actress. In the second season of the series, Audrey had worked as an extra, hence qualifying her to attend the premiere event with the entire cast. Audrey, who's a fan of the young actress, was so excited to meet Millie, explaining that she had always seen the actress as an idol worthy of emulation. At the event, Audrey took it upon herself to find Millie, and when she did, she walked up to the actress to ask for a photograph. But Millie took one look at Audrey and walked away. Millie, however, said she would be back for the picture. Audrey kept waiting, but Millie never showed up. When Audrey got tired of waiting, she asked another actress on the show about Millie, only to realize that the young actress had left the event. Of course, Audrey felt really disappointed, and fans have also sided with Audrey, saying Millie shouldn't have told her she would be coming back for the picture if she didn't have plans to. This is even more annoying when you think about the fact that Millie has established herself as a kind individual in the eyes of the public, and this does not in any way help her reputation. We really hope she grows up and discards these negative habits. The young actress has also had her fair share of troubles. On her 16th birthday, she mentioned that she was frustrated over how much she's been sexualized over the years, but she quickly added that this was not going to faze her at all. And with that, we wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.